Alright, I'm out here today replacing some hydraulic lines, the stabilizers on the backhoe. Had a blowout earlier this summer. Haven't had to use the actual backhoe part until recently. Thankfully these are reusable ends, because right now everything's on national back order. You guys never use these. This has got a taper here to get started on the inside of the hydraulic hose. This is all right hand thread, and this is left hand thread, I do believe. So I'll bring you guys along to how to replace these. I got 2 to do. Well, minimum of 2 to do. I should be doing all 4, but see how ambitious I feel. Make sure you put a little bit of bevel on here and you get all the sharp wire ends trimmed back. Actually, I'll cut the other one right now too, because I know I need at least 2 for this side. Now, that was 15 feet of hydraulic hose at about $100. Alright, so I'm gonna get these loosely bolted up right here. Feed them through their appropriate holes there. And then I'll bring you guys back when I crawl underneath. Okay, so this is the inside one. It's gonna go right there, and then the outside one here goes right there. You guys can't see much of this, but yeah, that's where I'm at. So probably gonna cut this video off here, get this done, because there's not enough room for me, both my arms, and the camera under here. I got some other leaky stuff under here I gotta fix too. That'll be a later video. But yeah, stay tuned for some of the upcoming videos, guys. I got a Lincoln Welding Power 225 I'm working on. It's bought it non-running, non-welding. Going through getting that fixed up. I just bought a 98 Chevy 1-ton frame for my old blue and silver truck. Gotta get that back on the road here soon. Well, I say soon, it's a ways out yet, but I gotta get working on that frame so it's ready to go. Oh, and I got some other projects going on. Trying to do everything in one video instead of separate parts. So we'll see how that goes, and I'll adjust from there. That's one of the reasons why it's taken so long for me to get videos out, is I'm trying to do everything in one video, or as minimal amount of parts as possible, versus how I have been doing them. And the other part is just trying to get parts. Either it's all national back order, or it's, you know, 2, 3, 4 weeks out for them. So not much I can do about that. But yeah, thanks for bearing with me. Appreciate it. But I got to get this done because I need to use this tomorrow, and we'll see what happens with the other stuff. See y'all later.